Roxy. Remote. Hot. Hot on remote. Here, how about this? You do that.
I know what she's going to inch over and say, what is this all about? I can't eat it. I can't sniff it.
You're a good girl.